In case you're wondering, yes, this is more powerful than the MF100. Here's me testing out the MF100 at 0 seconds, 30 seconds, and 60 seconds. And then here's me testing out this MF200 at 0 seconds, 30 seconds, and 60 seconds. Air dusters like this are fairly new, so if you don't already have one, hopefully I can convince you to get one because these are so useful for so many things. I've done IT for about a decade and cleaning out computers or keyboards or something like that. Back in the day, I used cans of air and I would go through cans super quick. They worked well enough, but they're very wasteful. This is a much better way to do it. You just charge this up and then this does a great job blowing off the dust, especially in keyboards, getting the dust to come out. If you're outdoors and you need to blow dust or dirt off something, or you need to blow leaves, this will work well for that as well. If you're camping and you want to blow on the fire rather than just getting your face in there and blowing on it, just use this. It's way more powerful and much nicer on your face. This was sent to me so I can make this video. Let me give you a closer look and show you how this works. This is the model MegaFlow 200 or MF200. It does come with a carrying pouch, couple brushes, your charging cable, and some different size nozzles depending on what you want to do. One nice thing about this model is you can remove the battery and you can buy replacement batteries. So if you want 2 or 3 so you can dust for an extra long time, that is an option. To remove the battery, you just press this here and then you take the whole thing out. When you charge it, it's going to show the battery level with these LEDs. To remove the nozzle, you just twist it, and then when you want to put it back, you just twist it back on. To use the unit, you press and hold the power button. Now with 3 dots, that's the max speed, and you just press and hold the fan to use it. Nice and powerful. If you want a lower speed, you just press it again, and then when you press it, it will stay on without having to hold the button down. You've got a rubber grip to make sure that you don't let go, and you can lay it flat on a desk like that. As I mentioned before, I did IT for about a decade, used an air duster like this all the time. In my house, I don't use it quite as much, but this is one of those things where every once in a while, I'll need to use an air duster like this, and it's just nice to have around. Just for random projects or dusting, this is fantastic to have. I think perhaps my favorite thing about this is that you can remove the battery. Not only does this ensure that you can use this for a longer time because you can buy replacement batteries, but if you have 2 of these, then when one battery dies, obviously you just swap it out for the next battery and you're good to go. You don't have to wait for it to charge. So if you expect to do a lot of dusting or use this a lot, go ahead and get the extra battery pack. Aside from that, this is just really powerful, great design, really nice air duster.